Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create this 3-layer couples trending edits using InShot video editor. Open InShot and create a blank video. Increase the duration. Set the canvas to 9:16. Tap PIP and overlay the first photo. Make it full screen. Tap mask and use the two-sided mask. Adjust the size. And drag the shadow key to add some shadows. Now place it at the top. Now repeat these steps for the rest of the photos.
Stress is getting just a little bit lower. Mine's getting just a little bit closer. Find somebody in my life that can make it through. I'll be lost, I'll be found in the broken. Way out in the crowd, feeling open. Find somebody in my life that can make it through. That one's just me times two.
Make sure to clip all the photos to the end. Go to InShot Material Library and add the starry overlay. Now you can add music to make it more professional. So here's the final result. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more InShot tutorials. Much love I got for you, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.